Welcome to RFP Manager. This video will show how you can get an RFP out today. Send an RFP to your own suppliers or find and invite new suppliers. RFP Manager is one of two ThomasNet purchasing tools available to you with your free thomasnet.com registration. After you register, log on to your My Thomas and click on the RFP Manager link that you will see in the left navigation menu. Clicking on that link will take you to your Purchasing Tools dashboard where we'll begin our overview. On your Purchasing Tools dashboard, you'll notice three letters that appear in the top navigation bar, RFX. An RFX can refer to different types of supplier requests, all of which can be executed when using this tool, such as a request for proposal or RFP, a request for quote or qualifications RFQ, or a request for information RFI. Now, let's get started. On your left, you'll find your user setup. This is where you'll want to begin. Here, you can add a coworker to a reviewers list. Use this feature if you'd like to give them access to monitor a particular RFX you will be posting. Add suppliers to the block quoters list if you'd like to prevent a specific supplier from responding to one of your public purchasing events, which we'll get to soon. Suppliers list is where you'll want to post your favorite vendors. And here's where you'll find supplier contact information after you've awarded a bid. Now move to the middle column for buyers. To create your purchasing request, click on the link Create an RFX or Reverse Auction and type in the product or service you are sourcing. Next, identify further the product or service by selecting an appropriate category from the drop-down menu. Clicking on the Select button will take you to your automated purchasing request form. Here, you want to begin by setting up the duration of your event. Please note the default date is always set for the following day, and the hour and minutes are set up as Military Time and Eastern Standard Time. Now, select the start date and time you would like your RFP posted. Then put in your end date and time by which you would like suppliers to respond. Next, fill in your listing title, and listing description. The more specific you can be, the better your needs are communicated to suppliers, and the more likely their reply will be complete. You also have the option to designate a currency you would like suppliers to bid with, or identify a country and zip code to where you would like your products and services delivered. You may upload an image such as a company logo or a photo of the product you would like to buy, and/or attach up to 4 documents that may include specifications or CAD drawings. Please note that the total file size should be no greater than 8 megabytes. And here is where you can add multiple items. Now, invite suppliers. First, decide if you would like to post a public or private purchasing event. The default is set to post a public event, allowing the entire supplier network to place a bid. You'll need to click here if you would like to post a private event, and only the suppliers you invite will have access to view and respond to your RFP. You have different options to choose from when inviting suppliers. You may invite your suppliers by email address, or identify new suppliers that may open up the bidding to different pricing points. This screen is a selection of ThomasNet preferred suppliers where you can review profile pages and pre-qualify more companies who may also be able to serve your exact needs. And if finding a local supplier is important to you, you can discover them here. You may also browse thomasnet.com for more suppliers or use your My Suppliers list. Or choose all the options. The number of suppliers you may invite is unlimited, but remember, at least one supplier must be invited. And if you've already set up a reviewer or block suppliers list, you can add them here. We're just about done. Before you review your RFP, Go back to check the start time in the case it now exceeds the current time. Then click on the Preview Listing button. Here, you'll have the option to edit the listing further, save and return at a later time, or activate it now. We're going to activate this listing. Emails will be sent to the suppliers and reviewers you have invited. This is what your invited suppliers will see. Notice the countdown to when they may start placing bids. Here, you may review the suppliers you have invited. Now return to the dashboard. When a bid has been placed, you will receive a confirmation email with a link inviting you to view the supplier's quote. Or click on Select Winners to review quotes and to make your supplier selection. You may also contact the suppliers directly. ThomasNet's RFP Manager allows you to manage and organize your requests, which will save you time. Here, you can track, edit, export, delete, or make a copy of your active bids, proposals, and requests. Please note that you are unable to delete a listing after you have received a bid. You may also review those that have ended, return to the ones you have saved, or copy to easily reissue an RFP that requires minimal changes. Thanks for your interest in RFP Manager. For more information, please visit the RFP Manager's Learning and Support page to see our other demo, Reverse Auctions, to download a manual, or to consult the FAQ section. Or for support, you may call 800-699-9822 or send an email to purchasingtoolssupport@thomasnet.com.